Hi Reading Rangers! Today we are going to read It's Christmas, David by David Shannon. Remember to like and subscribe to support the channel. David knows that if Santa thinks he is naughty, Santa will only give him a lump of coal. Is David only going to get a lump of coal? Let's see what happens. At Christmas time, everyone always said, "No, David." David saw his parents put presents on the top shelf of the closet. Are they toys? David thought. When his parents saw David climbing up to take a look, they said, "No peeking." Mom baked some Christmas cookies and they were cooling in the kitchen. When his mom saw David trying to take one, she said, "No snitching." David saw ornaments that looked like Santa and reindeer. He pretended Santa was bringing presents. When his dad saw this, he said, "Those are not toys." David was changing to play outside but couldn't wait any longer and ran out. His mom said, "Santa's watching, David." As they were lining up to see Santa Claus, nobody was moving. David tried to pull his dad towards Santa, but Dad said, "Be patient."
Ho, 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 ho!
It was finally David's turn. He wanted to ask Santa for so many things. Dad said, "Hurry up." In their backyard, David suddenly needed to pee-pee. He noticed the snow turning yellow and thought about writing his own name. Later, he heard his mom say, "Naughty list, naughty list, naughty list." When David was having a snow fight with the other children, he accidentally broke a window. Everyone knew this meant trouble. All the kids ran and shouted, "Santa's going to bring you a lump of coal!" It was finally dinner time, and David was hungry. He wanted to eat the food, but everyone at the table said, "Don't start yet, it's your grandma. No yawning at the table. That's the wrong fork. Sit up straight. Don't reach. Put your napkin in your lap. Get your elbows off the table." There were so many presents underneath the Christmas tree. David wanted to open one, but his mom said, "No, David, you may not open one early." David thought, "I wonder if I can see Santa." When his dad saw David out of bed and looking out his window, he said, "Go to sleep, David." Where did all the presents go? A lump of coal? A letter from Santa saying David was naughty? David heard, "No Christmas for you, David." David wanted to cry. "Wake up, David. You were dreaming," he heard Dad say. "It was just a dream." Yes, David, it's Christmas. David was so happy. He got a new bike, he read his new book, he looked in his stockings, and he ate Mom's delicious cookies. Santa did write David a letter. It says, "Dear David, Merry Christmas. Loves Santa Claus." The end. David is trying his best and learning to be better. Sometimes he still makes mistakes, and his parents see he is trying and forgive him. My favorite part is when David gets to open his presents. We hope all you Reading Rangers have a fantastic Christmas too. Like and subscribe to the channel and see what other amazing books you want to read together. See you in the next video, Reading Rangers.